Yo guys, what's up? This is your boy Kofi Emmanuel. Today I am here to give you a good news. I've received numerous number of messages from friends, colleagues and other people saying that we should try our hands dirty on redesigning some particular website. So I've taken upon myself to take one of the website being the TTU or the Takoradi Technical University website and redesign it. This is basically to educate you and also let you know how reward projects are being built. So for the sake of the tutorial, I would urge that every one of you get what we call the Notepad++, which is a text editor, or you can still get what we call the VS Code editor. If you are using VS Code editor, please do well to download these plugins. You go to the extension section, then you download a plugin called Prettier. Make sure that you also get what we call ES links, and make sure you also get what we call live share. Please get these three plugins downloaded. I will take you through step-by-step procedures on how you can redesign the Takoradi Technical University website and even make it look more attractive or more powerful than the current one that is there. In this very tutorial, it is going to be practical based. You are going to learn so many things. The things that you didn't know, things like breadcrumb, things like hero section, card, buttons, a whole lot will be revealed in this very section. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, as I will be bringing you updates on that as soon as possible. Until we meet again, bye.